I will take that shapes here, generate a design, find the different picture here. I will take it. So let's generate another design. Explore the different options. So there are the designs here. We are so let's take the shapes to make the clones of these designs here. Find the options, add a paint over it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.